Yes, my wonderful people. It's me again, Countryman. And you don't know. Respect to everybody. Remember to like, share, and subscribe when you come to this channel. This is another feel-good story. This is a white guy, straight out of Birmingham, England. And he does dancehall. He goes by the name of Extreme. And this guy is straight Jamaican, for all I know. But this is a feel-good story, and it shows that people respect the Jamaican culture. And this guy is doing pretty good now in the UK. So, without further ado, here is Mr. Extreme.
To the show this morning, you will know that I've been on the hunt for this guy. What? Tell him again. And through the power of radio and the internet, we've only gone and found him. Hello, Extreme. How you doing?
Good morning to all them people, you know?
This is amazing. I woke up this morning hoping that I would find you, and somehow in the space of about 30 minutes, we have found you. Have you been getting a lot of attention from this video that has gone viral in the last few days?
Yeah, man, whole heap of attention, man. Everybody loves the video, you see?
Because you don't look like you sound. We've developed the analogy that it's like a cat barking or a dog meowing, because you don't look like your voice. Do you get that a lot?
But that's a good thing about it, because it's the element of surprise, you know?
That's what I'm saying. Your Jamaican accent is very on point. What do you usually sound like when you're not Extreme?
No, man, me's always Extreme, man. Me not really talk English. I be a Jamaican, me talk.
24/7?
Even to my mother and my sister, them, everybody will know me as straight Jamaican.
What's your real name, though?
Shane.
Shane. I love that your real name is Shane. And are you from Birmingham, Shane?
No, you know say Nottingham, my born still.
Nottingham?
Yeah, but I grew up in a Birmingham from me about 3 or 4. I left Nottingham and come to Birmingham when I was a little picnic.
This is incredible. So when did you first start performing like dancehall music?
Well, from me was quite a young age still, because me I talk like Jamaican from me about 6 or 7. I start talk patois. And I grew up around here all my life, so I kind of had to dance from a little youth still, but I never really get in it till I reach about 15, 16, and I start writing music, and then I start perform about a year and a half ago.
Because you sound like you eat rice and peas every day.
People sound like me eat rice and peas every day.
Every day, curry goat every day, sorrel every night. You don't eat fish fingers, do you, Shane?
No, sir, I don't know what kind of barbecue fish finger them at all.
Alright, we have to actually get you in the studio. I've been speaking to Shawnee B, and he's trying to get you on the show this Thursday. Are you up for it?
Yeah, man, anytime I know I'm rolling for the show, man, enough love and respect for one extra, and Shawnee B, you don't know.
Alright, we're going to get you on. Can we quickly hear from Shane? I just want to hear what you sounded like before you started talking patois.
Well, before I started speaking patois, I sounded like a full-on brummie, didn't I?
Yes, Extreme! We're getting you on, alright? We'll see you soon.
Yes, them want hear lyrics.
Alright, take care, man.
Yeah. Aye, she asks if me can angle it. Girl, you know say me nah go ramp with it. Pan you something left a stamp with it. Me make she feel like he's sitting in a cramp with it. I me say, girl, me want you sit down pan it, me nah lie. The white youth a make you have to open up your eyes. Girl, I tell me say she love it, and I tell me say she like. Swear say she dead when she see the sitting rise. Girl, me love how you a bubble, love how you a wine, girl. Dilly and a dolly and a drop it to side, girl. Pop off the clutch up on the bike, she a ride. We got you every gear and the speed does a rise, girl. Suck off the something like piece of ice. Now run from the shame, cause a something where she like. Alright, so girl, I your time fi take the hype. Jump in the middle from life, I live nice, girl, wine up. So girl, listen up, me know your belly, man, I drop it on your heavy, make your spine broke. The motor, when me give you, when me done with the something, girl, nice up. So So girl a whisper in my ears and not tell me say she promise and not tell me say she care. Tell me say she swear that I the right walk. Aye, so well a night and day, girl a ring off me phone pan every network and not just Vodafone. Girl a call pon the T-Mobile, say she love off me swagger, say she love off me style. Love the way me start them and turn them over like the engine inna the new Range Rover. Her man got the money but him only a poser. Extreme of the big bulldozer. Say every walk when me walk, girl a draw little closer. Girl a said them want follow me from coast to coast. So ask anybody where Extreme goes. Who get girl who get them the most. Girl a ton soldier fi keep me close. She stand like war like she dep on the post. She say yeah, Extreme you know what you are the cause. She say yeah, you are the cause. Girl want. So when she at work, you fi work. Beat up this something, make this something hurt. Stop, take off your blouse and your skirt. Me have a, fi make you something squirt. She said she want. Alright, Johnny.